Today, our story of the bee and the bird. Once a bird asked a bee, after a continuous hard work, you prepare the honey, but a man steals the honey. Don't you feel sad? Then the bee replied, never, because a man can steal my honey, but not my art of making honey or my hard work. Moral of story is believe in yourself. It was a hot summer day. A crow was very thirsty. He looked here and there for some water. At last, he saw a pot of water in the garden. He went to the pot, but there was very little water in the pot. His beak could not reach there. The crow thought of a plan. He collected some pebbles and threw them into the pot one by one. The water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away. Crow feelings very happy. Moral: where is a will, there is a way.